Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to write a code with the help of using the stack class. In that I will teach you how to use stack class as stpush and I will print Java latest edition -5th. Here I created my package name, that is package test. After that in my I am importing java.util. It imports all classes from the Java util package. This includes the stack class and other utilities provided by Java standard library. Here I declared my class name, that is public class stack x. In my method declaration I use public static void main string r, and here stack is st is equal to new stack. It creates a new instance of the stack class name st. A stack is last in first out data structure where elements are added and removed from the top, and this stpush latest stpush Java latest edition and -5th. It adds 4 string Java latest edition and 5th onto the stack. St each push operation adds an element to the top of the stack. Here system.out.println the element in the stack plus st. It prints all elements currently in the stack st. The toString method of the stack is implicitly called to convert the stack's contents into a string representation. System.out.println the elements at the top stp. It retrieves the element at the top of the stack st without removing it and prints it peaks. Return the top element without modifying the stack. System.out.println the system.out.println the element out of the stack st pop. It removes the element at the top of the stack st and returns it. The removed element -5th is printed in the case. System.out.println the element in a stack after pop out element st. It prints the remaining element in the stack st after popping an element. After popping -5th, the stack contains Java latest and edition. And the last in the list, system.out.println the result of searching st.search ru. It searches for for the element ru in the stack st using the search method. This method returns the first base index of the element from the top of the stack if found, -1 if not found. Now let's run the program and see. The element in the stack java.latest edition -5th, and the element of at the top is 5th, and the element out of the stack -5th, and the element in stack after pop out an element Java latest edition. The result of searching is -1. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.